Hello students, this is my new YouTube channel on mathematics for school students presented by Kavita. My channel name is Lasya's YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe our channel. Today's topic is decimals, understanding decimals numbers. What are decimals? Decimals are numbers that have a whole part and fractional part separated by a decimal point. For example, 12.5. Here, 12 is a whole part and 5 is a fractional part. Next, place value in decimals. How you will find out the place value in decimals means, see here, hundreds, tens, ones, these all are whole part. Decimal point in the middle. Next, decimal point after, you'll get decimal point after tens, hundreds, thousands. Here, for example, 123.456. In this, 4 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, and 6 is in thousands place. Reading decimals. How you have to read the decimals here? 0.5. You can read as 0.5. Here 375. You can read them as 3.75. Don't read them 3.75. It is wrong. You have to read after the point, decimal point, one number you have to read 3.75. Next, 1204. You can read them as 12.04. Next, converting fractions to decimals. How you can convert the fraction to decimals? For example, divide the number by the denominator. For example, 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. 3 by 4 is equal to 0.75. 7 by 10 is equal to 0.7. Next, how to add, adding and subtracting the decimals. Step 1, how you have to add, how you have to subtract. Some steps are there. First, write the numbers in a column. Second one, align decimal points. Next, add or subtract normally. How you will normally adding, subtracting you will do, like that you have to do. At last step, put decimal point in a result. For example, you take here 12.35, 4.6. Just you can add. Then you will get 16.95. Next, how multiplying decimals. Here are the some points are there, steps are there. Multiplying normally, ignoring decimals. First you have to multiply. Normal multiplication, how you will do, like that you have to do. Count total decimal places. After both, count the decimal places, then place decimal in the result. Last result you can count and put the decimal points. For example, you see 2.5 into 1.2. Just normal multiplication you take, 25 into 12 equal to 300. Here 1, here 1, total 2. 2 means 0, 0, 1, 2, 3.00. Here 3 is the answer. Like that you have to multiply. Next, dividing the decimals. Example, 6.4 divided by 0.8. Make a divisor a whole number. First divisor you can take them as it is in the decimal point. First you can make them as a whole number. Multiply both by 10. Then 64, here it is 8. 64 divided by 8 equal to 8. 8 8s are 64. Next, comparing decimals. How you will compare the decimals? Add zeros to make same number of digits. Example 0.34 and 0.3. Then 0.34 equal to 0.340. Therefore, 0.34 is greater than 0.3. Next, comparing decimals. How you will in the life you will compare the decimals. See, for example, money. If you are going anywhere, if you are giving the changes, then money 12.50 paisa. Measurements weighing 52.75 kg, height 5.6 feet. Next, if you are taking petrol, rupees 99.99 rupees 85 per liter. Sports timings 10 o'clock 48 seconds, like that. Practice question paper. I have given some questions. Please do and practice it. You will make perfect. Thank you, children. Bye.